got my favorite. Say hi.
Thank you, sir. We appreciate it.
Using 400 levels. Me, bitch. Final year student. Don't touch me, I'm sterile. Who am I trying to impress? Nobody. I think there's a cow roaming about the
I feel like if I sit down, it'll break. Hey, okay, wow.
I'm not reading because I want to read. I'm reading because I have to. Try to fight it. Exam is next week, Monday. I thought it was like 3 handouts, but it's 5. It's going to be fine. Even though you try your best, you're still going to end up average, mediocre.
I try to read and I'm not understanding.
But I'm going to just sleep. Going to sleep. Last exam of the last semester.
Citation on the chancellor.
We have secured the bag from the view of the guests. Tomorrow is from the view of the students. Yes. Now I can actually vlog with confidence that today.
Yeah, exactly, because today is the day
For our convocation. For convocating big women and men. Graduates, you lucky, get out. Am I supposed to press the big red button? Am I supposed to push the big red button?
what did that sound?